Asking people to stay at home and shutting down population movement is buying time and reducing the pressure on health systems. You have created a second window of opportunity. The question is, how will you use it? There are 6 key actions that we recommend. First, expand, train, and deploy your healthcare and public health workforce. And second, implement a system to find every suspected case at community level. Third, ramp up production capacity and availability of testing. Fourth, identify, adapt, and equip facilities you will use to treat and isolate patients. Fifth, develop a clear plan and process to quarantine contacts. And finally, number 6, refocus the whole of government on suppressing and controlling COVID-19. These measures are the best way to suppress and stop transmission, so that when restrictions are lifted, the virus doesn't resurge.
We have seen countries that have gone through these so-called lockdowns, have gone through these public health measures and distancing measures. And we need to learn from all of these countries who have applied these measures at different levels of intensity. We know what measures were taken in China, and in particular in Wuhan and in Hubei. And we know that these measures are being lifted now. And the reason that they can be lifted is because these systems are in place to actually quickly identify and isolate any cases that pop up. And now what we're seeing in China is we're not seeing cases, indigenous cases, cases that are being locally transmitted. We're seeing new importations. There are more importations that are going into China than are actually being detected from local transmission. We haven't had local transmission, I think, in a number of days now. But what my point is bringing up China is saying they have looked at a staggering approach of lifting these measures. It wasn't all at once across the whole country. And in different parts of the country, they applied different intensities and levels of these measures. So it wasn't a total lockdown in all places across China.
We're all facing a common threat, and the only way to defeat it is by coming together as one humanity, because we're one human race.